Hey guys, I'm going to be singing A Year Without Rain by Selena Gomez, and I hope you like it.
Can you feel me when I think about you? With every breath that I take, every minute, no matter what I do. What is an empty place that got me wandering the desert for 1,000 days? Don't know if it's in a rush, but I always see your face, baby. I'm missing you so much, can't help it, I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without rain. I need you by my side, don't know how I'll survive. One day without you is like a year without rain. Oh. The stars are burning, I hear your voice in mine. Can't you hear me calling? My heart is yearning like the ocean that's running dry, yeah. Catch me, I'm falling. It's like the ground is crumbling underneath my feet. Won't you save me? It's gonna be a monsoon when you get back to me. So hurry, baby, don't waste no time. 'Cause I need you nearer. Can't explain, but a day without you is like a year without rain. Year without rain. Oh, baby, I'm missing you so much.
Thanks for watching. I just wanted to let you know that I'm actually working on a video that involves Zelda music and current music, and I just wanted you guys to stay tuned because it's actually just something that I thought of, and I thought it was really ironic that I had to do with Zelda. So that's hopefully going to be one of my next videos. But my next video that I'm going to put up is actually a duet with me and a very talented musician named Alex Goot. He's a genius, and I think he deserves way more subscribers than he has right now, so I just wanted to let you guys know we're going to be doing a duet. And again, thanks for watching. Bye!